Welcome back to Apex Drivers, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who crave power, innovation, and design. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 RAM ProMaster, a van that's not just built for work, but for the future of business mobility. This isn't your average cargo hauler. This is Ram's vision of practicality meeting technology in a way that redefines what a commercial vehicle can do. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 RAM ProMaster comes with a bold, upright stance that screams capability. Ram has refined the front grille with a cleaner, more aerodynamic look, while keeping the signature toughness intact. The redesigned LED headlights give it a modern, confident appearance, while the high roofline and wide sliding doors make loading and unloading faster and easier. Whether you're hauling goods, setting up a mobile workshop, or converting it into a camper, this van is ready for it all. Under the hood, the new ProMaster packs impressive power and efficiency. Ram offers both a next-gen V6 gas engine and a fully electric version for 2026, giving buyers flexibility based on their business needs. The gas engine delivers plenty of torque for heavy loads, while the EV model offers instant torque, near-silent operation, and a range optimized for urban deliveries. Ram's electric variant is also expected to support DC fast charging, so you can get back on the road quickly with minimal downtime. Inside, Ram has taken comfort and technology to another level. The cabin feels more like a modern SUV than a commercial van. There's a large, high-resolution touchscreen running Uconnect 6, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation and over-the-air updates. Multiple USB-C ports, a digital driver display, and a new steering wheel design make the interior both functional and premium. Ram knows this vehicle is your office on wheels, and they've built it to feel like one. Storage and customization are key, and the ProMaster delivers big time. You get different roof heights, wheelbase options, and upfit configurations. From cargo to crew van, and even cutaway models, the 2026 lineup covers it all. Ram's partnership with upfitting specialists means you can tailor the ProMaster to your exact business requirements, whether that's a delivery van, mobile repair unit, or even a luxury camper conversion. Safety has also stepped up. The 2026 ProMaster now includes advanced driver assistance systems as standard adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blinds, spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera and digital rearview mirror provide excellent visibility, making this one of the safest and most confidence-inspiring vans on the market. One of the standout features for 2026 is the new digital key system. It allows owners to unlock, start, and monitor the van through a smartphone app, perfect for fleet managers and shared business operations. Combined with RAM telematics, it provides real-time tracking, diagnostics, and maintenance alerts to keep your operations running efficiently. When it comes to driving, the ProMaster feels surprisingly smooth. The suspension has been retuned for a more composed ride, especially when loaded. Steering is responsive, and visibility is exceptional thanks to the upright design and large windshield. Ram also added sound insulation improvements, so even long drives feel quieter and more comfortable than ever before. For those considering the electric version, Ram promises impressive payload and towing capacities, competitive with traditional gas models. The instant torque delivery makes it agile in city traffic, and the regenerative braking system improves energy efficiency while reducing wear on the brakes. Overall, the 2026 RAM ProMaster stands out as one of the most versatile, advanced, and dependable commercial vehicles in its class. It's designed for businesses that demand more power, more tech, and more productivity. RAM continues to prove that you don't have to sacrifice comfort or innovation to get serious work done. So, what do you think about the 2026 RAM ProMaster? Would you go for the gas model or the all-electric version? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Apex Drivers. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive updates. We'll see you in the next video where power meets precision, only here on Apex Drivers.